In the busy city of Singapore lies an 18-year-old hidden gem yearning for a fresh identity. This timeless fusion of rustic charm and contemporary elegance has breathed new life into the once humble space, redefining its character and turning it into an enchanting home. The centerpiece of the house is the bomb shelter, made into an altar table and display shelf to conceal it. The master bedroom boasts a serene palette of neutral colors, while plush bedding and cozy textiles create an oasis of relaxation. Stepping into the playroom is like entering a magical world of wonder and adventure. The walls are adorned with cheerful pictures featuring a world map and paintings. Soft pastel colors lend a soothing vibe. The kitchen showcases a brilliant transformation, with classic farmhouse elements combined with modern functionality. Adjacent to the living room, the dining area boasts a rustic wooden dining table, surrounded by chairs and benches that exude a charming farmhouse ambience and becomes a gathering spot. As you step inside, the living room unfolds like a vision from the countryside. Light-colored wooden flooring stretches throughout the home, creating a seamless flow and a sense of continuity. The walls are painted a soft and neutral white, allowing the carefully curated decor to shine brightly. Besides that, the addition of rugs, a plush sofa, and brightly colored pillows evokes a sense of calmness and a cheery feel, inviting residents and guests to unwind and relax in style. In every part of this 18-year-old HDB flat, the seamless marriage of modern design and farmhouse charm weaves a captivating narrative.